today this is our third video for the chapter number 1 real number, and now we have to discuss on to the exercise 1.3. Today we have to discuss exercise 1.3, and now this is the first of all, this is root 2, root 3, root 5, root 11, all are irrational number. The single digit, when the single digit inside the root, it means this is belongs to as a theorem. So root 2, if the in the examination is the question is this, prove that root 2 is irrational, it means this is the theorem. So you have to, students, you have to prove this theorem. For example, I am telling you first question, prove that root 2 is irrational. For this, let root 2 is equal to a upon b. A upon b, this is the rational number. Root 2 is equal to a upon b, rational number. Both individual a and b are co-prime number. Co-prime number means both having common factor 1. So proving this theorem, so now we have to the squaring both side. Squaring both side means root 2 square means 2. A upon b square means this is a square upon b square. Now b square transposing in this side, we get 2b square is equal to a square. Now we have to discuss on to the a square. A square is the which term where a square and 2b square relation. What is the relation between a square and 2b square? Look at this. A square means 2b square. It means a square is multiple of 2. So we can write as a square is equal to 2b square. It means a square is multiple of this value 2. So we can write a square divisible by 2. When the square is divisible by 2, the number itself also divisible by 2. So a divisible by 2. So now we have to let a in which form? In the form of this. A divisible by 2. So we have to let here, let a is equal to 2c. A divisible by 2, it means a divisible by 2, it means a is the multiple of 2, and supposing this a is equal to 2c. Now a is equal to 2c, replacing here in this a place we have to replace here 2c. So 2b square is same, a is replacing by 2c whole square. This is 2b square is equal to 2 square 4c square. 2 and 4 is cancel in this 4. 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4. So b square is equal to 2c square. Yeah, this look at this situation. B square is equal to 2c square means b square is multiple of 2. So b square divisible by 2. And when the square is divisible by 2, number itself is divisible by 2. So b divisible by 2. A is also divisible by 2. B is also divisible by 2. Both A and B both divisible by 2. So this condition, co-prime A and B are co-prime, this situation is wrong because both A and B divisible by 2. So A and B co-prime, our situation is wrong. So A and B are not co-prime. So over supposing, we have to suppose this root 2a upon b is a rational number. This is wrong. Our supposition is wrong. So root 2 is not rational, it is irrational. Now we discuss on to the question number 2nd. And this second question, prove that 3 plus 2 root 5 is irrational. This, and when we have to prove this 3 plus 2 root 5 is irrational, we are taking the help of these theorem. Look at this, root 5 here is irrational, so we are taking help with this theorem. So same situation, 3 plus 2 root 5 is equal to a upon b, rational number. Same manner we have to suppose this 3 plus 2 root 5 is equal to a upon b. And this is here is, look at this, the first term. First term is 3. Here is a not, root is not there. So 3 transposing in this side. 3 is without root, so we have to transpose in this side. And this value, first of all, this value we write down here. 2 root 5 is equal to a upon b. 3 transposing in this side, we get a upon b minus 3. So 2 root 5 is equal to same. Now we are taking the LCM. When you taking LCM, b goes in this side. So we get a minus 3b upon b. Now also we have to the 2 also transpose in this side, so we get root 5 is equal to 2 in the form of multiplication, and it change into the divide form, so we get a minus 3b upon 2b. Means both in this situation irrational and rational separate. In this condition we have to do irrational and rational separate. So root 5 is irrational and this is the rational. Root 5 is irrational and a minus 3b upon 2b is equal to rational. Irrational and rational are not equal, so over supposing this is 3 plus 2 root 5a upon b, rational is wrong. Our supposition is wrong, so 3 plus 2 root 5 is irrational. This is the question. One more question also I am telling to you. Root 2 plus root 3 is irrational. Now both the terms are in the form of root. This is root 2 and root 3. In this question, one term in the form of root and one term in the form of without root. But now in this situation, both the terms are in the form of root. So same condition like this question. First condition is same. Root 2 plus root 3 is equal to a upon b. What is the difference between this question and this question? Here is not root is not there, but here is the root, both the terms in the form of root. So first step is squaring both sides, removing the roots. So squaring both sides. When you squaring both sides, so we can applying identity. This is the squaring both sides means this is root 2 plus root 3 whole square is equal to a square by b square. A square by b square. Squaring both sides means root 2 plus root 3 whole square is equal to a square by b square. Now we have to apply the identity. Root 2 plus root 3 whole square means a square, root 2 square is equal to 2, root 3 square is equal to 3 plus 2ab. 2 into root 2 into root 3 is equal to squaring in this side a square by b square. 2 plus 3, this is 5 and this is 2, root 2 into root 3, root 6 is equal to a square by b square. Now the process is same like this second question. 2 root 6 is the same. 5 is transposing in this side. This is the without root value. Transpose in this side. We get 2 root 6 is equal to a square by b square minus 5. Now we are taking the LCM. 2 root 6 is equal to same. LCM is equal to b square. B square goes in this side. We get a square minus 5b square upon b square. So now root 6 and 2 is here. Root is the root 6 we are taking here, but 2 is multiplication, transposing in this side. We get a square minus 5b square upon 2b square equal to root 6. Now this is irrational and this is rational. Now we have to trying for this. One side is irrational and other side is rational. Irrational in this side and rational is in this side. So irrational is not equal to rational, and our supposition is again wrong because we are taking here a by b rational number. Our supposition is wrong. So root 2 plus root 3 a upon b rational is wrong. So root 2 plus root 3 is irrational. Now I am telling you homework. Root 11 is irrational. This is your homework. Second question, show that 3 minus 2 root 5 is irrational, and third one, prove that root 5 plus root 7 is irrational. Root 11 is irrational. Now the same procedure is here. You follow the same procedure here. Instead of 2 you take here 11. Here also root 11. Here when you squaring 1 to 1, and in this solution you can change by 2 by 11. The same procedure is there. Supposing also a is equal to 2c, so we are taking a is equal to 11c. Same procedure for this question. And now in this question number second, same procedure. This procedure you follow it. And the third one, root 5 plus root 7 is irrational. This third procedure you can do. So I am telling you my phone number. This is Ajay Mukherjee. 49629939902. Student, you have to any doubt, so your phone number is given and contact me. Thank you.